Hey, welcome everyone. Tom, Park Avenue Forex, the mastermind also behind Brains, Money, and Guts. Welcome to this little update on sterling dollar that we've been following around the last couple of days. Market basically has just redefined itself. So for the very short term, okay, this is short term trading. Um, I'll get into medium term. I'm going to look into dollar yen as well. So I have to dig deep into that. I have a client of mine, also old inner circle student that's been following me, doing a wonderful job of analysis, actually pointing out sterling dollar at the 130 level is a very, very tough barrier to break through. He's absolutely correct about that. Amazing that we said in the last video that an open above 130, like oh 6, would show some strength. The marketplace really couldn't get much above 130, the figure. That was the high, say. But we were looking for 130, 130.06, which is actually, that's the damn price right there. Shoot. Okay. So it did touch it. I thought it was I was looking at this bar the last time, 130, the figure. So actually, the true high was really at our point that it needed to get above and then open above to push up to like 130.40, 130.15, possibly even opening up for higher levels. Has not happened. So I have a balancing point right now, 129.65. Not really much into that. I told you yesterday, look at that 129.80 level. That proved to be a good point to kind of focus in on. There was a good movement down to the 129.15, and then basically, again, consolidation. What I think is going to happen now, in my humble opinion, I have two closing prices here that acted as good support for the marketplace to bounce up in the short term. This was only on yesterday. Okay, so I do believe that if we open now below 129, say 15, okay, 129.15, we're going to attempt to break through 128.68 and head lower maybe to this close here, which would be 128.24. Now, again, the point that we need to break above and basically open above is still this 130, say 130.07. Okay, that's going to open up the upside. So how you trade this, the balancing points right here, you have your risk of, say, 35 pips. If you went short, you have 35 pip risk, and you have to wait for an open above it. However, you got to be careful because the marketplace does spike this. What's to say it doesn't spike it up to 130.50, and then open above over there. So you have to be cautious. So you have to take a small position, all based upon how much money you have in your account. And also, you can go for it. Your short would actually be looking to front run an open below here, and then a push down to there. So I think the risk really is to the downside right now. Again, attempting to see what happens here, because we had a couple attempts up in this area here, kind of failed. So, I'm more inclined to say, okay, we're going to test this and then pop back down here right now. Again, all bets would be off if we close above 130.07. Look forward to talking to you guys soon. Remember the etiquette and edict. Enjoy the party. Dance near the door. All the best, man. Cheers.